What I like about Ovention's latest and most exciting product is the Matchbox 360. This oven builds on that two cook surfaces in one cavity, but instead of moving two cook surfaces in and out of a single cavity in a linear fashion, the Matchbox 360 rotates in a circular manner, having half of a circular cook surface inside the cavity and half out at all times for staging and loading and unloading purposes. The Matchbox 360 brings the best of all worlds together: menu flexibility, ventless operation, quiet, and best of all, a tremendous theater of cook experience as this cook surface rotates and the food is presented to the operator waiting.